Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube tutorial on creating your own agent. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can build your own YouTube video blog generator. So, what is it? It's an agent that will take your YouTube video and convert into a blog format so you can reach to a wider audience. Let's see why we need it. Key benefits of this system, it's time saving. It will save you lots of hour on content creation. Like if you have already created your video and you need to create a blog for that, this agent will save your time. It will maintain your consistent quality of blogs. Like if you are a technical video uh, maker and you need to make a blog format for that, but you don't need to spend too much time on that. It will help you to make the blog and even keep the quality consistent. And our third point is automatically scaling. So with this agent, you can make all the blogs of all your playlist and various other videos and make it at scale. So let's get to our next slide. So it will help you to expand your content reach and impact. Like with this, you can target new domain of audience. Like if you are only targeting YouTube audience, now with the this agent, you can also target the audience which reads the blogs. Now it's a perfect fit for a creator, marketer, and educator. Like some people like to read the blog, not only watch movies for greater understanding of the topic. Now this agent is a multi-agent architecture. So how does it work? Like it will, for first agent will extract the video transcript. Second agent will write the blog outline of the our blog, and then third one is that write the blog according to this outline. So how it works? System workflow is something like that. You just have to provide a YouTube URL, then the multi-agent perform its system. Each agent will perform its designated task. Then the final output will be stored. Sorry for here. Stored in the Markdown language. So there you can copy paste or uh, store in host, so you can publish it later. Now let's come to our code demo. So let's see our code demo of our YouTube video blog generator. So this notebook I have created implements an automated multi-agent pipeline that transforms YouTube video into professional blog, as I have mentioned in our intro. So it's a multi-agent system. So I have created various agents for various purposes and use in a pipeline. So you just have to provide this notebook with a link, and then it will automatically convert your YouTube into a blog format where you can read it or publish it. It depends on your own. So let's see how you can build it. So first you have to install some libraries like CrewAI, Python.env, YouTube Transcript API. I have already installed it, so I don't need to, but you can do it just by uncommented and run it. So let's see. Now you have to import some modules from given libraries like agent, task, crew, process, LLMs from CrewAI, and tool from CrewAI.tools. Then normal modules like OS, load.env, re, or transcript API. So now then you have to create a .env file here so that you can load your Gemini API key. You just have to store a variable of Gemini API in your .env file, and using it, you can get your Gemini API key. It's a very safe approach for cookbooks, so you can't leak your API key. Now, let's see our first part. We are going to first build a YouTube transcript extractor agent. Its feature is it can support multiple URL format. As you know, YouTube have multiple URL format, and then it extract the YouTube video ID using its for various method function, and then it fetch the English transcript. You can change it, but I'm choosing the English transcript. So let's see how it's work. You just have to provide it with the URL, then it will extract all the things after the V part, which is the video ID. And here you can use the remodule for it, as it is help it's in scanning the URL. Then with some normal code, you just have to extract the English language transcript. So here you can do, and you just have to join it together and it will return your text. So for example, let's run it and see as an test, like mm, now let's see, I have to run this now. Now let's uncomment this part. As you can see here, I am provided with a URL and then that URL to that function and printing that function. So it's a video by Tim, tech by Tim. So it's us tell us about the how to use solid principle in programming. Uh, so it's a transcript of that video. So now you know how you can get the transcript. So just uncomment the tool part. As you know, CrewAI use this decorator to understand which function is its tool. Now run the same function for later. Now uncomment it. So let's get to our main part, LLM configuration. This is the most important part, and it will be our brain of our agent. So as you can see, I am using three agent: extracting LLM agent, three LLMs: extracting LLM, outline LLM, and writing LLM. Wait for me here. I'm using 7 degree. Uh, ठीक है. Now, let's see what it is do. You have to provide the model name which you are going to use for this particular LLM. So for this cookbook, I am just using same LLM for all three uh, LLMs, but you can change depending on your own requirements. Like if I am going to only extract, use extract LLM, I am going to use some uh, 2 or 3 billion parameter LLM. But for the outline, I need a reasoning model, and for writing, I need a great content creator or writer models like Grok or Gemini, Gemini Flash. Let's see, run this now. Now let's get to our agents parts. So see, with each LLMs, now you have to create each agent where we do specific task. Like us agent will have a role, a goal, a tool, or an output. So it's for example, extractor agent will be which will use a extracting LLM as its brain will have a role of YouTube's transcript extractor. Goal: extract and structure complete transcript from YouTube URL, and then it has a tool, uses the YouTube transcript extractor tool which I have made here. So this is the tool it can use. Now similarly, you have to create a blog outline drafting agent. It will have a goal to create a detailed blog outline. It doesn't write the blog, it just create the structure in which we write the blog. So it will be easy for our next blog writer agent to write the blog, as it has predefined which topic it have to write on. Now let's create, as you can see, these are the detail, role, goal, backstory, task, and expected output format. You can read it. It's a normal string, but it's talk just about you extract and structure complete transcript from YouTube URL. Then there is the tool here which I have provided to it, and then the LLM. So it has extracting LLM. Then now let's go to our blog outline drafting agent. So there is its goal, backstory, task, and expected output format, personality, and then output example, and there it is in LLM. Similarly, you have to do for blog write agent. Like in blog outline drafting agent, I have its provided goal of from the transcript provided by the extractor agent derived from a YouTube video. Create a structured, reader-friendly blog outline that serve as a foundation for the next agent to write the full article. The outline should cover key points, insight, and subtopics that make the content engaging, educational, and easy to understand for both student and professional. And here it has a different using the outline created by blog outline drafting agent. Craft a complete blog article that reads naturally, reflects a human writing tone, engage reader with clarity, depth. The writer should be professional, coherent, and free from AI sounding expression, filler language, or overused transition. Each paragraph should flow logically and delivers value. Ensure that both student and professional can easily follow and learn. So here its goals. So you can read it in your cookbook when you download it. Now let's run it. Now here is the task definition. So with each agent, you have to give in their particular task. Like there is in your agent, there is your input, and there is the output you have to provide it. So as you can see, it will make our agent work more easier. Like here is the name of the uh, agent, then here is the description, what you have to do, then there is the output, how in format you have to do, then the agent I have provided, then the input. As you can see, I have provided it a video URL, which is a YouTube video URL, and the output key will be a transcript data. Similarly, you can do for blog draft blog outline task or write blog task. So now you know these are the three things you have to create before creating a agentic pipeline. LLM, agent, then task, and then here is your crew. Crew is just the pipeline synonym. So like there is your name, what this crew call, then there is the description, what this crew does, then there are the agents. These are the agents which do the task, and these are the tasks which the agent have to do. And the process should be sequential. Like if the agent is doing this task, so if the that agent is doing this task, then after that completion, the next agent, which is blog outline drafting agent, will do draft blog outline task. And after that, blog writer agent should do write blog task. So with this, now you can start our crew execution. So here is the given URL of my YouTube video on LinkedIn post generator agent. Then there is how you can do it. You have to just run it and wait for it. So now you can see our agent has given us the output, crew output. It's the standard class of this output. You have to extract the raw part to get your result. The in that format you can't read it now. Read it in that here. So this is the uh, blog it has written. So the blog has all the requirements I have. Create your own LinkedIn post generator agent with CrewAI. There is your introduction. Are you tired of spending valuable time manually crafting LinkedIn posts? The process of creating engaging content, finding relevant hashtag, and scheduling posts incredibly. So with this, you can get your uh, blog. Now you just have to save it in the uh, M, uh, Markdown format. Is your generated Markdown. You can remove this part as it's a Python standard way of storing Markdown. So, and you have to just go below and do it here also. Now you can use an extension. Here I'm using an extension to read your article. As you can see, it has created a good article with proper structuring and in human tone. So with this, you know how as you can see, it has also given us the code snippet, which isn't in the transcript, but it has successfully scripted. So that's how you can create your own YouTube video blog generator.
If you'd like to explore practical resources and hands-on examples, we've created a dedicated GitHub repository. It's filled with cookbooks covering computer vision, AI agents, and more. Link is in description.